channel, Dame Miranda here. Thank you for stopping by. Today's Vlogmas video is going to be a bake with me. I am making something from this cookbook. Well, it's not just a cookbook, but it is, sorry, Hallmark Channel Countdown to Christmas. Have a very merry holiday. Very merry movie holiday. Actually, my mom and her Vlogmas last year, she baked a lot of stuff from this too. I'll have the link to her channel down below, so make sure to check that out also. But today, I will be making Chris McNally's chocolate chip cookies with sea salt. And it looks delicious. I'm only gonna be making half the recipe because I always overdo it. But yeah, I'm making some chocolate chip cookies. This is actually, okay, I don't know which one you're seeing first. So either I posted the Polar Express first. These are the cookies that we ate during the Polar Express movie night. If I haven't posted the Polar Express movie night yet, then these are the cookies we're gonna be eating during the Polar Express movie night. So either way, this is what we ate during the Polar Express movie night. We're going to be eating during our Polar Express movie night, and make sure to look out for that video or go watch that video if you haven't already, if I've already posted it. But yeah, guys, let's get into the video. First things first, I already preheated the oven to 325, and now let's go get all the stuff together. Awesome. Okay, so now I have my baking sheet, which I put aluminum foil, and I sprayed some of the cooking spray on it, and I'm gonna set that aside, and I'm gonna start. In the bowl, I already have my butter because it says to go ahead and mix the butter and the sugars, which is brown sugar and regular sugar. So it asks for 1 cup, but again, the recipe here makes 2 to 3 dozen cookies. I have my nice little assistant, my son here, Adam, to help me. So yeah, I'm cutting this in half. I don't need 2 to 3 dozen cookies. There's no way. I've been overcooking everything. I overcooked on Thanksgiving. I overcook always, so I'm trying to cut this in half. So let's see here. It says half a cup of white sugar, so I'm just gonna do a 4th. And then it asks for 3/4. Well, it asks for a cup and a half of brown sugar. Here. Yay! So I'm gonna do 3/4.
It's like stuck in there. It has shape.
Go ahead.
Yay! Can I scoop it in next time?
No.
Yay!
You're just gonna be dumpy.
I love baking with you, even on videos.
I love baking with you too.
You better add this to the
Okay.
video, because they probably want to hear me saying that.
Okay.
That's nice.
It is nice. Can you go put this inside the sink for me, please?
Okay, boss. Okay, chef.
Alright, so I'm gonna do this. I know you really want to, but this goes all crazy and this is weird, so I'm gonna try not to make an entire mess. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god, this is crazy.
I'm just going away.
This is so messy. Ah!
Sorry, she already kind of mixed it good. She did mix it good, but she kind of mixed it.
Okay, we're gonna just go ahead and beat in the eggs.
Okay, I'm cracking
It asks for 2, but I'm just adding the 1. Go ahead and do that.
Alrighty guys, at this point, the mixer had made me so flustered that I kind of forgot to keep up telling you what exactly I was doing. Luckily, my husband came in and helped me get things like totally situated. But if you guys do want to do this recipe, I'll have the link to the recipe book in the description box below, so go check that out. I'm telling you, they have a lot of different recipes, not just baking ones, but they also have like macaroni and cheese and different foods. The macaroni and cheese one my mom actually did in her Vlogmas video last year, so I also have the link to my mom's channel down below, so go check that out. So yeah guys, these cookies were a lot of fun to make. Adam was such a good help. Thank God for my husband, because I did get quite flustered with my mixer. But guys, if you do want to try these, I have the link to the cookbook down below. And oh, this is so cute. You see how I know it's a little shaky, but Adam is actually recording me for it, so cute. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, stay stress free. Bye.